If you live in LA and have ever been to Urth Café, they have the most incredible chicken curry salad ever. So I wanted to recreate the flavors of it. And I literally eat this for lunch almost every single day. So in a bowl, add mayonnaise. I like to use Kewpie, which is the Japanese mayonnaise. And then curry powder. I like to use the Vietnamese Madras brand curry powder. And add golden raisins. I find golden raisins to be more plump than the regular raisins. Then chop up some onions along with celery. And then mix everything in a bowl and juice half a lime and add it to the mix. And then the secret ingredient to make this curry salad so incredible is mango chutney. You can find mango chutney in your local supermarket. Mix everything together, and then I use 2 rotisserie chicken. It's important to cut them in cubes rather than shred them. I find the texture to be so much better, and the curry salad tastes better when the chicken is cubed. And add it to bread. I love using sourdough bread, and make sure to overstuff it. And there you go. You have the most amazing sandwich ever.